Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the AI Auto Territory Builder. This is going to be an overview of that tool. Now, you see I already have territories on this map. I'm using my data for this, and there's my data. So what I'm going to do here is I want to see if AI is going to give me a better territory breakdown. So I'm going to hit my map tools. And then I'm going to go down to the little robot, Auto Territory Builder. And once we're in here, we're going to go ahead. It's going to pre-select these. So we're going to just hit continue. Now there are trial limitations when you do try this out. If you've purchased this, you won't get this notification. Now we're in the Auto Territory Builder. Currently, the only boundary types you can use are US states, counties, and zip codes. There's more to come soon. I'm going to do US zip codes with Alaska and Hawaii because that's what this data includes. Now I can use my data metrics. I can use any of the numeric information that I have. So I want to use my sales and my customers as part of it. Then we're going to go to, I can also use any type of demographics that I'd like that we include. So I'm going to use population as one of them. You can also use age. And we see that those are all being listed here. And it's asking me if I want one thing to be more important than the other. So I want sales to be less important, and I want customers to be most important, and population to be a little bit less important. And we're going to hit continue. Then you have choices. You can respect the sales reps locations, which is, we don't have sales reps on our maps, but that would be the territories that I've already created. Respect previous territories. Well, that's definitely not what I want to do. We can optimize with constraints or number of territories. So if I say I need to create, I'm going to say 25 territories for this example, and I'm also going to click the optimization so you understand what this means. And I can set constraints like sales, this is total numbers, or number of customers, and I can do that. I'm going to actually remove this one, and we're going to hit continue. And then you're just going to name your territories, and we're going to hit generate territory. All right, so as we see, this is a much different territory setup the way it's done it. It will list each of those territories. We can't save it. That's why it's got the red around it. But we can see that we have that capability. You can upgrade to purchase and keep these. I asked for 25 different territories, and that's basically what it did. You still have the ability to go into those territory group settings, make adjustments once you've purchased, but basically what we have here is we've got different territories created based on what I asked it to do. So this is what it's giving me, and this is your basics on your AI. If you have questions about pricing or questions about the AI itself, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.